Now we are going to toss it out to Alan, who's back out on the weather deck. Alan, you had a little break from being out in the cold and now you're back out there. Has it changed at all?
It's very cold. There is a breeze. I think it's kind of hitting the studio and then swirling around on the weather deck. And I will say too that this snow, it's really, really fine and powdery. And he's no Cooper Flag, but who does this remind you of? You know how like LeBron does the chalk thing at the beginning? Anyway, I was trying to show how it's so...
I wasn't quite there with you, but I get it now. I do.
The thing where he like does the chalk and he's like...
Yeah.
I mean, look at that. It's so powdery. So like the shovel here, you know, I'm making a big kind of cubby hole for myself, but it is not what I would call heavy, dense snow. Look at that. It is straight powder. Like Ryan Breton would love skiing on this. If he's looking for the powder, I'm gonna come back over here. Look at this. Look at how many. Got the stick here. Same spot I've been hitting, and we're now up about maybe 9 1/4 of an inch out here on the weather deck. For perspective, we started at 6 and we had about 5 inches. So we've come up about 4.5 inches really over the last, 4 to 5 hours, which matches the rates we've been talking about 1 inch to 2 inches per hour of snowfall. We're not done yet. Wow, I just got a big gust. It is very cold out. You can see it. You see how the snow is just picking up because it's so light. The winds are blowing. It is definitely cold. I'm gonna take a quick peek at the roads. And yeah, so it's the same type of deal that we're seeing with Drew. The wind's blowing the snow around. Some of the roads are dry with respect to there's not snow covering it. But there are areas where it's definitely starting to pile up. So take it easy if you're out and about tonight. Into tomorrow morning, probably gonna have the same deal. Snow will still be flying around. I think it's time to get warm.
I don't blame you. Thank you for showing us the road. Sam and I were just talking about how strange it is not to see any cars driving through that intersection.
Yeah, not a single one while we've been out here.
Wow. All right, Alan, thank you. Come on in.